Okay.
Elmo?
Who's next?
Oh, Elmo? Can I be next? Me? Can it be my turn?
Alan, it's Telly's turn.
Okay.
Telly,
All right.
Hey, yeah. Well, let's cue him up.
rolling, and action.
What's fascinating and unusual about the way I say the alphabet? I say it while I'm bouncing on my pogo stick. Cut!
What?
Oh, sorry, but we had a kid last week who said it on a pogo stick.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, but did he say it on a pogo stick while he was wearing a triangle hat?
I love this job.
Rolling, and action.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
Yeah, go Telly!
Yeah.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P!
Ride 'em, cowboy.
Uh-oh. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y,
Oh, Telly.
Telly, are you okay? Z! I said it! Z! Did I say Z?
Jelly Monster on Sesame Street, everybody.
Yeah!
Wasn't he tough?
All right,
Right,
Telly! Yeah!